This 1984 Corvette Crossfire injection engine has 3 cooling temperature sensors or switches that mount on the engine block, and all 3 sensors perform an individual separate function. You've got one on the driver's side right here between the number 1 and 3 cylinders. It's located right here. This particular sensor sending unit sends information to the dashboard gauge that tells you what the engine temperature is on the car. You've got another one that's in front of the, mounted on the engine block in the front of the engine here. It's right behind the smog, some of the smog control, but you can see it right there, shiny. That is the cooling temperature sensor. That particular sensor sends information to the electronic control module so that the electronic control module can adjust the fuel mixture on the car depending on the engine temperature. You've got a third switch. This particular switch is on the passenger side. You can just barely see it down there. This is the cooling temperature switch. That particular switch, it's mounted in the engine block just in front of the number 8 cylinder. But that cooling temperature switch, when the engine heats up to a certain temperature, that switch will ground out, and it will send a signal over to the cooling fan motor relay, which is right there by the brake cylinder, master cylinder there, which in turn will turn the fan on. So you have three very different cooling temperature sensors and switches on this 84 Corvette.